Storing clay for a whole grade of classes in elementary school can be a little bit overwhelming since you only see them once a week and the clay needs to remain workable. So what I do is each kid gets a bag with a little symbol on it, and each class gets an array of bins where they pick a bag and then they write their name next to the symbols, as you can see. And then we just got to make sure that they seal them up really nicely. Learn how to seal up Ziploc bags is a great skill. And in addition to save time, when you know that they're going to need more clay, you can put a little hunk of clay right before their class into their bag, and as well as sort of having a tray of clay that they can come take as they're working. All the bags because they're about to glaze their pieces, so I just took out all the bags from the bins, and now I'm going to put them into their table bins. You can see I have 3 different second grades. Here are their bins. I have one student that was absent, so I have that ready to go. Before class, if you can identify who was absent last week, you can get everything ready for them to complete the project, which saves time. Saving time. And now I'm going to unload my kiln. Now that the projects are in each table bin, when it's time to glaze after they've had the instructions, I can just hand out each bin to its correct table and the kids can start glazing.
What, sweeties?
Do you put the glaze inside?
Yes, that's a great question.
Subscribe! Click here for the coil pot lesson. Thanks for watching all the way to the bitter end.